with that. Kaylee, you say hi.
Hi.
You say mama.
Mama.
Yay! Can you say Claudia?
Claudia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say Claudia.
Claudia.
Yeah. Can you say grandma?
Claudia.
Can you say grandma?
Claudia.
You really like to say Claudia, huh?
Claudia.
Yeah. Can you say grandpa? Can you say grandma? Can you say grandma? You said something close. Remember you said Nama?
Mama.
Yeah. You remember that's grandma, huh?
Mama.
Yeah.
Mom.
Remember grandpa? Remember when you said grandpa, you said Nampa? Grandpa?
Mama. Dollars.
How about grandpa? Grandpa. Can you say Chuck?
Chuck.
That's pretty close.
Chuck.
Yeah, Chuck. How about grandpa?
Yeah, you are.
Grandpa?
Go out the road. Say go.
Oh, well that is a lot to say. Okay, you say bye-bye.